Teaching is a blessed opportunity. I think there's two levels to teaching. I think there's just conveying information, and some students, that's the extent of the relationship you have with them. The more fun part of teaching is when there's a deeper relationship with a student. My name's Robbie Campy. I am a professor in the kinesiology department. I was playing basketball at a very small community where a bunch of doctors were sort of renting out the gym in the early morning and invited younger people to come. So I was playing with them, and one day after playing for about a year, Dr. Bacon came up to me and said, "What are you doing?" And I was like, "What do you mean?" I didn't know. I thought he was talking about basketball at the time. But through a series of conversations with Dr. Bacon, he kind of said, "Well, I know you love sports, and I knew I loved sciences," so he recommended PT to me. So I volunteered at a PT clinic for maybe 6 months and decided, that is it. I love this. This is fantastic. I went back to school at Eastern Washington University at that point. I was working towards one degree, thinking that I was working on my prerequisites when I really wasn't. So I looked to see what are the prereqs and what do they match with, and sports medicine and athletic training was the closest I could find. So I switched my major over into being an athletic trainer, and that was super fun. I got some exciting experiences out of there. I was doing that at Eastern Washington, so I started working at Gonzaga the same year that Gonzaga blew up for men's basketball, so I got to be there through all of that and for the next couple of years as they got super popular. And Seahawks were also practicing out at Eastern at the time, so in the summers I would get to hang out with the Seahawks athletic training staff a little bit. So I really liked athletic training, but I came to find that my personal values of wanting to be a part of a family didn't seem to match very well with what I understood athletic training to be at the time. So from there I started asking mentors, like, what should I be doing? Where's the right direction for me? So I had a mentor at Eastern who said, we always partner you up with the challenging students in class because you explain things really well. It's partly an innate ability and partly just amazingly fun. It feels like a blessing. Students, they are giving you some voice into their growth and their challenges. You bring all of yourself into trying to support them. I think from a kingdom standpoint, what we're asked to do is to help each other. And I don't want a class to simply feel transactional. Like, you need to do this and memorize that and finish this test, and then it's all done. But I would hope in classes that they would see me as an advocate for them in their own growth towards whatever they want to be accomplishing. That they're more informed about how they want to serve other people.